friends, welcome to my channel. So we are going to start our first chapter of class 11th maths, which is sets. So let's go. We can see on the board that two examples are written over here. So if you observe first one, we can say that there are some random numbers. There are more than two random numbers, so we can say it is a collection. It is only a collection. And if we see over here, it is also a collection. But if we observe, these objects or numbers follow a definite pattern. We can say that this is a collection of odd natural numbers. On the other hand, this is only a collection of few objects, but this is a collection of odd natural numbers. We can say the word collection turns into the word set when the collection is specific. That means the collection is well defined. That, like we can see that here the collection is specified, that it is a collection of only odd natural numbers. On the other hand, here it is only a collection. It is not mentioned that it is a collection of these things. All the objects coming into this collection are specified and they are eligible for this collection. And the second thing is very important. Note that a set is universal for all the people. That means if you write a set of odd natural numbers, everyone's answer would be same and all the elements would be universal, that only these elements will come under this collection. That set is universal. Okay? On this slide, we will see what is the definition of set according to ncert. So, a well defined collection of objects that means a collection should be well defined for calling it to be a set. That is, if the collection is not well defined, it will not be a set. For example, a collection of all even natural numbers will be a set or collection. It will be a set. Because if I write the collection, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and etc. If you write this collection, your answer will also be the same. Another person write the answer, his or her answer will be the same, because it is universal that collection of all even natural numbers would be this. Understood? So let us see some examples regarding this. Either it is a collection or a set. So here are some examples and we will see either this one or this one. Which one of these is a set and which one of these is a collection. So let's see. So first one is collection of all vowels in English alphabet. It is, I guess, A, E, I, O, U, and from you also it is A, E, I, O, U. Another one's people's answer would be A, E, I, O, U. So it is universal. So this it will be a set. Another one is collection of all smart boys in the class. Now, everyone's perspective of being smart is different. In someone's perspective, this boy will be smart, and in someone else's perspective, this boy will not be. It is depending upon the perspective of the person. So this cannot be universal. Okay, so this is not a set, because everyone's answer, that is the collection that all people would have written, and okay. So second one example is collection of all smart boys in the class. It is depending upon the perspective of the person. In my perspective, this boy will be smart. In another perspective, this boy will not be. It is depending upon only the perspective. Okay. So in everyone's collection, in everyone's respective collections, the name of the boys in the collection would be different, because it is depending upon the perspective, not the universal. It is not a universal thing. Okay. So this will not be a set, because the object lying under the collection of this will be different for everyone. The answer will not be same from everyone. Okay. So this answer would be no. The third one is collection of beautiful paintings in the class. Also, it is depending upon the perspective, because everyone's choice and everyone's favorite things are different. So they might like it, someone will not like it. So in the collection, the number of objects and the name of the objects will be different for everyone. So this will also be not a set. No. So let's see some few more examples in the next slide. So next example and the last example of this video is collection of all novels written by Rabindranath Tagore. See, the written novels of Rabindranath Tagore are fixed, because we know what he has written and what he has not written, because it is obvious that this book will be written by Rabindranath Tagore and this will not be. So it is the object lying in the collection of this thing will be same for everyone, because it is fixed what books Rabindranath Tagore have written and which books are not written. So its answer would be yes. This is a set. So by watching all the examples, the conclusion is that the collection will be a set only if it is universal, and the objects lying in the collection is same for everyone. We can say that this object will lie in that collection or not. Okay. For watching the video. If you liked the video and if you understood the concept, please hit the like button and stay tuned.